What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And I know it's been a long time since I've made another video, but I'm about to lock back in for sure. I'm about to lock back in. It doesn't matter that I'm on paper trading. I just feel like I didn't want to record my paper tradings, right? Because I'm not really technically doing anything, right? Quote unquote, which I am back testing, right? But I'm gonna just start recording them, right? Going back to doing my trade recaps so you guys and me see what I'm doing, because these are mainly my trade recaps. I can go back and see what I did and all these other things. So today we took a W, and on the daily bias, what I saw is that we were in this 4 hour imbalance again. As you can see right here, we were in this 4 hour imbalance again. On the hourly, we had failed to sweep these lows on ES. On NQ, we had already swept them. So I was like, all right, we should have an SMT somewhere there, which we do on the 15-minute. As you can see, it's favoring NQ, but we did not take the trade on NQ because I did see that NQ was moving a lot slower than ES. ES was actually displacing. So I end up just waiting, seeing what's going to happen. And on the 5-minute, I see that we break 5-minute structure a while ago. By the way, we had broken structure here, like at 9:05 we broke structure, right? So it does solidify my bias, right? Because we have a 15-minute SMT down here. We have hourly, actually not, we didn't have the hourly SMT yet, but we had 15-minute SMT. We were also in a 4 hour imbalance, so I was looking pretty bullish. And we hadn't taken out NQ, or we hadn't taken out any London highs from either or. We had taken out London lows but not London highs, so I was like, all right, I could see price coming back up, especially after this 5-minute break structure. So after that 5-minute break structure, I was looking for an entry. So let's see, on the 3-minute, I don't remember what my first entry was. Okay, yeah, I see it now. So we're gonna delete this for now. First entry was us tapping into this 2-minute imbalance, right? As you can see, we make a nice doji. Once we make that nice doji, I'm like, all right, I'll enter this. I set my stop loss, I think right here, or nah, right here, right? Targeting the London highs, which is for a little more than 1 to 2. Once I see that we end up coming up here and we take out these highs and we come back down, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just go break even here. I get out right here for break even, and then I'm like, all right, let me reassess the situation. What is actually going on? Let me see if I can find a better entry. So I see that NQ is just failing to inverse. Pretty sure it was, oh no, it's right here. I already have it marked out. It was really failing the inverse disimbalance, right? But we had already mitigated it. So I was like, and we couldn't make an SMT because we already took out the same highs. So we were making some sort of retracement, which is the way I saw it. So on ES, I'm like, all right, let me see if I can get a better entry. I mark out this 5-minute imbalance right here if you can't see it. Oops. I mark out this 5-minute imbalance right here. We end up coming down, tap into it, and we start seeing some rejection. So I'm like, all right, I like this for sure. On the 3-minute, I see we're making like this beautiful candle. On the 2-minute, I just end up entering the trade mostly off the 3-minute, right? So, and the 1-minute as well, of course, because that's where I saw the trade. And enter off there. Set stop loss under here. Aim for London highs, which we never get, but it's okay. I'll get into that why. Whoops. Entered around like around here. Yeah, it looks about right. So once we enter here, obviously, as you guys can see, we end up just moving up. Once we end up moving up, I move my stop loss to here, right? Because we technically already got to my break even point right here. We didn't get to my second like break even point, which will make my trade even more confident in taking and just holding. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna move stop loss here, right? Because if we come down, we still give our trade a chance to stay in, right? So we come down, start trading into this, and then we see a big move up, and we're fully break even after we come and just go past these highs right here. So go fully break even, and we just we just end up waiting here and seeing if we can take out Lennon highs. But once I see that NQ is still failing to move higher and just move in a direction, I'm like, all right, just based off of the bearish candle that gets formed, I'm going to get out and just take my profits. So we end up getting out at a 1 to 2, which our original stop loss was down here. But anyways, for 1 to 2, which was like around here, and yeah, call it a day. So nice and simple trade recap. Um, Nothing too much. My bad for not posting lately. Kind of early. I'm gonna try to get back into my groove. For sure, just at posting my trade recaps and all that good stuff. Early, actually, it's a good time. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'm pretty sure. I knew I was gonna be in and out of this trade, so not a bad day for sure. And yeah, guys, that's it. Also, I have a TikTok account, bro. ERT Trades TikTok. Wow, those are my YouTube videos. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? So as you guys can see, we make motivational videos and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to follow, hit that follow button on that TikTok. And yeah, I would appreciate it, guys. Let's look at this one. We can't even hear it. Doesn't matter. So yeah, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I would appreciate it. I appreciate all the 83 subscribers we have so far too. I show my whole journey. You guys are seeing me. We're back testing back again, and until we get that next funded or whatever it is, right? So until then, I'll catch you guys. Be safe. If you took a loss today, if you took a win, whatever it is, bro, who cares? Lock back in. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep grinding. All that good stuff. And never quit, boys. I love you guys, and peace.